How to get VIP status on Blockman Go. Hi guys, it's Bakran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to get VIP status in Blockman Go. Getting VIP status in Blockman Go is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Blockman Go app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon usually located at the top right corner of the screen. In your profile menu, look for the option that says VIP or Become VIP. Tap on the VIP option. You will see a list of VIP membership tiers with detail about the benefit and prices for each level. Select the tier you want to purchase. You will be redirected to the payment page where you can choose a payment method, Google Play, Apple Store, depending on your mobile device. Complete the payment process by following the on-screen instruction. After the payment is successful, your VIP status will be activated. And there you go, it's done. That's how you can get VIP status in Blockman Go. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.